Like the kiss on a collarbone, the soft caress of happiness, the way you walk, your style of dress. I wish I didn't get so weak. Ooh, baby, just to hear you speak makes me argue just to see how much you're in love with me. See, like a queen upon her throne. It was the sweetest thing I've known.
From the sky, if I should lose you, the stars would fall from the sky. I tried to explain, I can't explain it. Subway in Brownsville, Medina. Lord like Apollo, I follow like Athena. Keener, cleaner, just a few misdemeanors. Hit me in the heart, part professional cleaner.
Shorty dick, you wasn't from this side. We did the slide and let me whip your ride. L Boogie had the flavor sized up petite. Vocab was exquisite and still on the street.
I should've seen her, like when Ike met Tina. How you were shookin' when I booked the arena. Jakes had you locked up, Fates had us knocked up. Snakes and mistakes could get anybody popped, but we stayed in the struggle, prayed in the trouble. While you on the street, I'm on tour, we made
I hella heat fine, and you held mics divine. With every cat singing with you one time. You was the media-ish dish, locked in a media ear, calling me your little Brownsville Swedish fish.
More times than not, it got hot trying to date you. You know I never meant it when I told you that I hate you.
And so during our term, everyone tried to beat us. I keep you in my heart, you was always the sweetest.